niko kazina umwana wa president Mugandi Gagambo Beyonce n'umwana wa president turatsanyi Van Vika akarimo cyane turatsa barakwereka ibikankari ngibyo Nadia Bukari akarimo bakakwerekeza ibikankari turapfuye ibi ni kuwa mukabyara mwe Jackie Agemange akarimo cyane n'umukobwa nguwo ararinzwe Kalusumu Sinali akarimo cyane n'amazina y'ama Nigeria turatsanyi barakwereka umukobwa byo ararinzwe ngo ni umukobwa wa president Mugandi Gagambo esa n'uyu Beyonce Katirori iratsanyi arari dore wakabdo dore nyubako wakabyara ningi yakeni agafilimi karacyakomeza birarai Katirori arinjira ndani kwa ndani n'umukobwa esa n'uyu mukobwa wa president n'uwa Beyonce umukobwa president dore nyubako do televiziyo neza niyo kwakeni neza karacyakomeza birarai Katirori barakwereka ibyacu n'imitinda umukobwa yasatira ikinyobwa Rakabas Faranka Arase akarimo cyane turatsanyi umukobwa ikinyobwa aragiswa Tunde Adekoya akarimo cyane n'amazina turatsanyi dore umukobwa akabyara wateye ukwe ni Okai n'umukinnyi w'Imana turatsanyi tunakomeza iyi ni party 1 Tunde Adekoya akarimo cyane n'amazina Solomoni dore umukobwa dore wakabyara dore ukatambuka wakabyara we do aruzuye byo aruzuye ni myiza dore umukobwa ese ni umukobwa president cyangwa Katirori do sample sa imitambukire dore wakabdo aragaramye filimi nukutanye nakomeza dore amade wakabyara inzira irandenze agafilimi karacyakomeza dore wakabyara dore umukobwa nuko yambara kandi nuko yiyambura agafilimi karacyakomeza nyamara amayobera ni nayo kuva yakuzafashemo amayobera ni dore ibyo babyita amapozi ku rundi ruhande umuswara akabyita kulala umunyarwanda akabyita ngo kuryama turakomeje n'indimi zombi dore umukobwa inyubako ni irakeye hari inyubako rwose ugeramo ugasanga zikeye Rakabas nguwo ni umukobwa gusa utsangiye agafilimi ava mu gikankari arizwe agomba guhindura no ku myenda fresheri uramubona nguwo agafilimi karatsangiye kanakomeza bagenzi mwinde sida irahari cyane sida iri mu rubyiruko mugirinde rero bas na maribori afite reka da ugasanga igikobwa maribori mu migongo hehe filimi iracyakomeza uyu na maribori afite reka da fresheri ahindura imyenda nk'uko abishaka iratsanyi nakomeza sandefo bas gusa yirinde kunyereka gusa bunchenchi ibindi abikoreye ariko yirinde kutwereka ubusa Rakabas inkweto zo mu nzara ari nazo Rakabas barakwereka ibyacu n'ibitinda dore ikebo dore igikankari gisasakaye baragifungurira gasupari ukora ku marembo agomba gufungura bas ndani kwa ndani kirinjira kije kwande kino gikankari ninde ukiziyemo Katirori aruwa ni shoferi nuko agenda nuko aza iratsanyi nakomeza hari uwafungura turapfuye ariko saba abakobwa nakuyita 50 100 ndaje damarsh niye bwite nago yigana avayo nawe n'umukobwa rwose arajyahe Katirori ahaje rwose ko harinzwe ahajwe uyu mukobwa na hararinzwe umusatsi ukagira ngo n'umumarayika kandi ari umuntu agafilimi karacyakomeza barakwereka umukobwa wundi ari mu nzu dore amadeva akabya do yarinjiye
The president's daughter.
umukobwa wa president
Beyonce.
ni umukobwa nyiricyubahiro
Again and again and again.
ushobora kubisubiramo nanone
Am I right for all honesty? Of course.
umva
I think my chances are in the government. I mean, the parliament.
urabizi icyubahiro cyanjye nge Beyonce leta irakizi ndetse no mu nteko ishinga amategeko kuko no umukobwa wa president yaricaye uno mukobwa uje kumba yamusura nguwo urabizi uri umukobwa wa boss abihuruza ni babura
Lee, the terror is wrong.
Politics in this country is no longer survival of the fittest.
urabizi data ibintu bimuderanja muri iki gihugu n'ibintu bya politike data nibyo bimuderanja umukobwa Beyonce arabyira umukobwa mugenzi we
Friend? Persuade your father.
ibyo nibyo bideranja isiko yego
Them.
yaricaye
If he insists on being in demand, you don't worry.
we nugira ikibazo hari ahantu tugomba kujyanira na njye nawe Beyonce
For a friend, I will pull the strings.
That's my girl. I trust you.
urabizi uri umukobwa kandi nizera ngabo yo ikinyobwa bakagisukuma
Ready to move if you must acquire permanent.
ugomba kwitegura kubera yuko tuye kuba twajyanirana
Besides, I've got the will.
njyewe urabizi Beyonce ntago ninya
It's much more than that. I mean, gone are the days of calm and coma. The
ndabizi ni byinshi cyane Beyonce ugomba kwitunganyiriza sibyo Beyonce
frustrated oratory, spies with raw intelligence and laudable ideas.
ugomba kuba ndetse umuntu uzi kuvuga ndetse mu rwego nawe uzi
See,
urazi
I intend to go to the battlefield and come out victoriously.
njye mu by'ukuri nkora ku byo ntago ninya
You are speaking to a member of parliament.
njye nshobora kugenda ndetse mu nteko ishinga amategeko ndetse nkavuga ijambo ni umukobwa wa perezida ngabo icyo kunywa baranywa agafimbi karacyakomeza ibyacu n'ibitinda barakwereka undi mukobwa arimo aritemberera arava yaragana hi katirori barakwereka dore kebo dore amakebo filimi iracyanye inakomeza hari iyindi modoka yaje itambika iyindi modoka imbere yayo hari uwavuyemo imbunda ari nayo pistole gucyura niki amafaranga isasu yavuyemo amubabwira amafaranga yanjye uyabaza ayahe amafaranga yamushizemo isasu turapfuye hari baga bamukuyemo hari umukobwa ubirebye umugabo rwose arashe mugenzi we ngo anashaka amafaranga yanjye ayahe mafaranga nuko bimera nuko urashwe nguwo ni umusore ukiri muto muto araka basi umukobwa byose yabirebaga ayayaya ibi ni kwandika ibi ni kumana ya mfasha wagiye gufasha sharamuzi uyu yararashwe hari umugabo uturutse mu modoka mubya ndashaka amafaranga yanjye ayahe mafaranga katirore baba we imyikaniro umusore nanjye ngiye kumana mumfasha na raka basi umukobwa yari umugira neza yagarutse bushyashya katirori kurikira uniyumvire ameze nabwo urashwa ameze nabi raka basi
Are you okay?
umesawa mfasha
Are you okay?
umesawa kurikira namuzi mfasha
Can you drive?
mfasha
I'm getting a taxi, okay?
reka nshakisha taxi vatiri iza kuba yagukura hakuno ikwerekeza kwa muganga kurikira unarebe umukobwa ntabwo aziranye n'uyu musore katiruri bidatinze barakoreka taxi vatiri umukobwa koko yarayizanye uyu yarashiguye hakuno kira vuba vuba umuntu ndetse arimo arapfira hakuno umukobwa atabaye umuntu atazi agafilimi karacyakomeza uwatabaye nagamuzi bagenzi bikora bake ugasanga umuntu ararashwe ku muhanda bagenzi muzaye mubafasha ariko hari igihe cya polisi mugenzi kakubaza yarashwe uwo muntu yarashwe wari uri hehe ukisobanura hey gufasha kuri kino kigihe nk'umuntu nk'uri urashwe amasasu urisobanura no kwa muganga barakubaza byinshi polisi zikaza zikakubaza kuri cyunarebe taxi vatiri bamwinjijemo feri ya mbere ni hakuno kwa muganga azanywe baramuzanye umusore ameze nabi mukobwa atabaye umuntu atazi amaraso bagenzi nguwa mukanwa hehe sinzi kwa muganga hospital ameze nabi umunasi yaraje ninde umuzanye hakuno ndabona uyu yarashwe umukobwa yaraje
Good day, Ma.
umunsi mwiza
I hope you came in with a police report.
ntabwo twagufasha utazanye raporo za polisi
The doctor cannot attend to him without a police report.
Doctor ntabwo ashobora kumuha yamuha ubufasha utazanye raporo iturutse kuri police station.
Please do that fast. We are looking.
Turakwinginze kora ibyo tubanze kugusaba.
And you're here asking me to go all the way to the police station.
Umuntu arimo arapfirira hakuno urimo namya ngo njye gusaba raporo kuri police station.
What we can do now is to give him first aid.
Ntabwo dushobora kumukorera n'ikintu. Genda uzane raporo za polisi. Ntabwo
Even under a condition of this nature.
iyo niyo myanzuro ufashe hakuno. Bagenzi muri kino kigiye umuntu akaraswa ukamutwara kwa muganga utazanye ndetse raporo za polisi ntabwo bamuvura.
So I advise you to go and get it.
Umuntu nituza bamurashe wenda ni n'igisambo utuzanye hakuno. Fata urugendo ujye kuri police station.
Just go out there, outside the gate.
Kora ibishoboka byose barakurangira police station ahantu zisangwa kuri kino narebi. Umuntu ntabwo bashobora kumuvura atarazana raporo ziturutse kuri polisi. Wenda ni ikijura.
Let me see.
Barakwereka kuri police station ngaho. Aruwe bahamagaye. Fande ari kwega ngabo. Barakwereka umukobwa araje. Aje gusaba raporo hakuno. Ari impapuro.
Student officers.
Umunsi mwiza officer.
How are you?
Umese dufashiki.
How can we help you?
Ngufashiki.
Asked from the hospital to come here and get a police report before they could.
Ngeze kwa muganga baramyenze hano nsabe raporo.
And that was shot by criminals.
Hari umugabo warashwe n'abanyabyaha.
Shot by some policemen. Is that what you are saying?
Ibyo vugura bihamya neza.
And that was shot by some criminals.
Mu byukuri n'abanyabyaha bamurashe ndeba.
The hospital and he's
Ndetse namusize kwa muganga banze kumuvura ndetse ngo nze nsabe impapuro hakuno.
attended to.
Are you saying that you witnessed the whole incident?
Ibyo vuga urabihamya neza ko ushobora kuza bihagararaho.
They entered their car and they drove off.
Nibyo mukuri.
Officer, how am I supposed to know that?
So, madam, where
Madam.
is the man?
Umugabo ari.
He's in the hospital.
Ari kwa muganga.
But you're supposed to have come with him here first, even before going to the hospital.
Sasa wari kubanza kuza hakuno mbere yuko ujya kwa muganga wari kubanza hakuno kuri police station.
So, madam, go back and bring him here before we will be able to issue you a report.
Sasa wefata urugendo umuzane hakuno.
But just like you and I, was shot by.
Umuntu ameze nkawe yarashwe ni gute namuzana hakuno amaraso arimo aramushiramo gutumgira ngo mare kumuzana hakuno police.
Sir,
Officer we
please,
ndagusaba.
he's dying.
Uwo mugabo arimo arapfirana.
Bring him here before taking him back to the hospital. He will not survive. And
Ntabwo aza kurokoka nimuzana hakuno ndetse.
This report without identifying the victim. It is against the law.
Kora icyo tugutegetse cyangwa nimudashaka ndetse urafungirwa hakuno.
Please follow me to the hospital, and
Munkurikire basi kwa muganga.
if you don't know our way that you can come here and dictate to us, look,
Ntabwo waruzi ibyo ugiye gukora.
here I will throw you inside cell. Come on, come on.
Nutava hakuno ndagufungira hakuno turapfuye. Umukobwa aramubye amare kujya kuzana uriya muntu barashe bagenzi. Barakwereka ibyacu n'ibitinda hospital kwa muganga. Aba doctor ntago baramwitaho. Basabye umukobwa azane raporo zisutse kuri police station.
I can imagine the pains he's going through.
Nasi. Uyu muntu aza kuba yapfira hakuno ameze nabi.
Take the nurse into my house.
Nta kintu dushobora kuba twamukorera.
In such case.
Umukobwa twamutumye ndetse impapuro ziturutse kuri police station. Umukobwa araje.
What's kept you so late? If you are not interested in your brother's life, then get him out of this place.
We nimba wanze kuzana za mapuro mukure muri agaki umujyane.
bring him over to the police station,
Mvuye kuri police station.
issuing a police report.
Oh no.
Banze kuma raporo.
It is rather too late for that. Like I told you, we don't treat such case without a police.
Nkuko nakubwiye ntabwo dushobora kumwitaho utazanye impapuro zisutse kuri police station. Umuntu ameze nabi. Ameze nabi. Kurikira. Ameze nabi mu byukuri. Birababaje biro mukobwa.
Madam,
Madam we.
do you want this man to die?
Urashaka umugabo apfe.
Don't you have conscience?
Kubera iki ubuzima bwe
This heart,
butakubabaza ubuzima bw'uyu muntu.
you want this man to die on your hand?
Arimo arapfira n'amaraso ni menshi.
I am not the one who shot him.
Umva.
I do not know the kind of business he had with the
Nakubwira nta kimwe dushobora kuba twamukorera.
nothing we can do.
Nta kintu tumukorera.
Make sure this man is out of this place within the next 2 minutes.
Mukure muri aka gace atarashira iminota 2 turapfuye.
How can a human being be this heartless?
Guta umugore nkawe ndetse ukora bino bintu. Amukura muri aka gace atarashira iminota 2. Impapuro za polisi bazimusabye polisi nta mapuro imuhaye. polisi iramubwira ngo uyu mugabo amukure hakuno amujyane kuri police station. Umukobwa yarahagurutse umwe.
Pharmacist.
Fata tuno tuntu dushobora kuba twagufasha. Hari agapapuro yamuhaye. Mukure hakuno twama bamwanze. Muri iki gihe nuko bimera umuntu arashwe.
My father. Yes.
Byose nabikoze ndetse ndi kumwe na data. Barakwereka Beyonce umukobwa president.
The terrain is rough, this is tough, and that is tough, whatever, but...
Mu by'ukuri nagiye mu nteko ishinga amategeko hari ibintu byose nashoboye kuba navuga ndetse mu ruhamwe bw'abagabo ise ni umuperezida ukomeye muri iki gihugu cya Lagos.
Really?
Ni umukobwa wa perezida.
See, I am a woman, and I know the enormous power that I possess.
Urabizi nababwiye ndi umugore kandi nzi neza imbaraga z'abagore ahantu zigera. Aravuga ibyo yavuze ndetse mu nteko ishinga amategeko ari kumwe na se.
We need is precision and
Gabo abakobwa baraza kumusura nk'uko bikwiriye kuko ni umwana wa nyakuba. Barakwereka wa mukobwa wibuka agapapuro umukobwa wa munansa muhaye. Umukobwa hari address ziri kuri ako gapapuro kuri kino rebe. Uyu mukobwa arimo arafasha umuhungu atazi nibwo bwa mbere akimubona. Aga filimi karacyakomeza. Filimi yiswe Beyonce kuzafashemo amayoberane nayo Sunday 4 kuri kino rebe. Basa ragacyagezemo.
Is this the house of Raj Johnson?
Yes.
Hano ni wabo wa Raj Johnson. Yego.
Well, Raj was attacked by...
Harabagabo bamwatatse ndetse baramukomeretsa.
Okay, he's presently receiving treatment at...
Mu by'ukuri ameze nabi.
Can you take me there, please?
Ushobora kunywa njyanayo.
Absolutely, this stuff.
Njyanayo. Yaje waba hari wo wa musore. Ngo Raj umusore yitwa Raj yari abantu bamwatatse ariko ameze nabi. Umugore aramubye ushobora kunjyanayo ahantu ari Katiruri. Ahari ni wabo wa musore Raj. Agapirimi karacyakomeza. Kuza inkabahereza mushiti wa bose. Barakwereka hashize ukwezi kumwe. Ukwezi kumwe kurahise. Barakwereka wa mukecuru umukobwa yaje guhuruza. Barakwereka wa musore nguwo Raj. Arabaje ukore babiri.
Is anything the matter?
Hari ikibazo ariko?
But you've not been your usual self.
Ntabwo ugishushe nka mbere.
I know.
Ndabizi.
No.
Ndabizi.
Hey.
Kubera iki? Ntabwo agishushe.
You were very careless. I don't believe it. How somebody can save my life and you don't even get their phone number?
Sinabyizera mama. Umukobwa yashoboye kunabaruza umuganye habe no kumutelefona. Uyu ni nyina w'uyu musore.
Now I demand an apology.
Ndabizi ibyo byose reka kumbwira ibyo bintu.
I'm sorry.
Umbabarire ariko.
But mother,
Mama,
you could have collected the phone number.
wenda uri kumutelefona.
Somebody saved my life. She saved my life. Just collect the number for me to call and at least say thank you.
Yanabaye ubuzima bwanjye. Byibuze uriya mukobwa nawe ubuzima bwanjye ukamutelefona ukamubwira ngo urakoze.
I thought she knows this house. I'm very, very, very sure she'll come back here soon.
Izi neza kwa azi neza ko uri muri iyi nzu yo mu rugo. Inzi neza ko azagaruka. Uyu mukobwa aramubuza uwo mutabaye.
Excuse me.
Mumbabane mu gato. Uwo mukobwa wundi aramubyiye. Inzi neza ko wa mukobwa gutaye ubuzima bwawe. Inzi neza ko azi neza kuri hakuno muri iyi nzu. Inzi azagaruka. Umusore ni Bogari, Tony Bogari ni igitipe. Hari umukobwa gitabaye. Ziara. Uri hehe?
Are you?
Uri hehe Ziara?
Can I find you?
Nzagushakira he. Umukobwa mutabaye hari ni Ziara.
Boy.
Arananiwe. Barakwereka ka telefoni karasonye. Umusore agacakira ya basi ninde Katiruri. Umukobwa mutabaye ubuzima bwe ni Ziara. Yarambuze.
Yeah, Bobby, what's up?
Ye Bobby niki?
Hi.
Umese mwana uri he?
What are you doing tonight?
Urakora iki muri joro?
I'm in my PJs and I'm ready to go to bed.
Mwana ndi mu cyumba cyanjye.
Jump into your panties and let's go eat some straight.
Ndashaka kuri uyu mugoroba ngo utware muri night club.
Fine.
Ndagushakira he?
Where should I meet you?
Cyangwa uze kuntora?
Or you gonna pick me up?
Uze kumfata hakuno.
Yeah, let's meet up at the nightclub.
Ntugire ikibazo mwana tuza guhura muri night club. Uwo musore agira ngo asohokane uyu Raj muri night club. Kuri cyo narebe ni mushitwe Bobby. Filimi iratangiye inakomeza. Ziara. Arakibaza rya zina ry'umukobwa Ziara. Uwamutabaye ni Ziara.
Boy.
barakwereka muri night club ngabo ngabariya bakamariza ba dative basangaho wa musore koko yaraje muri night club ahantu hasangira mu ndetse ibikobwa go dore tipe amashi tipe uramubona bogal acaho ni mu gicuku barakwereka umukobwa yarasotse Ziara we ni wa mukobwa mutabaye.
Hi, Ziara.
Bite Ziara.
Hi, Raj.
Bite Raj.
I can see you're fine now.
Yeah.
Nibyiza gura.
Nice seeing you.
I just wanted to thank you for everything.
Ndagira ngushimira buri kimwe cyose.
Really appreciate it.
Icyo wankoreye cyose mu byukuri ndagira ngushimire.
It's nothing. You're welcome.
Urakaza ariko.
You just disappeared with no trace. You know, I've been everywhere looking for you. I even went...
Buri hamwe hose nagejeje kuba nahagushakira narakubuze. Mwibazaho ngushakisha ahantu hose.
Well, now you found me.
Ubu none urambonye.
And I want to thank you
None ndagushimira.
for everything.
Ndagushimira buri kimwe cyose. Ubona bari ubuzima.
You a call girl?
I'm an artist. I sing and...
Njye umuhanzi.
Wow.
Nibyo.
Okay.
Sawa.
I want to tell you something.
Hari icyo ushaka kubana
A little strange.
cyerekanye kuri njyewe.
But I'm in love with you.
Ndagukunda turapfuye. Umukobwa yasetse.
Raj, you don't even know me.
Ntabwo nzi ugapfa kunkunda.
I know.
Ndakuzi.
Don't know you, but I'm just convinced
Mu byukuri ndumva yuko nshaka kuba nafatanya nawe ubuzima.
that I'm in love with you.
Ndagukunda.
All that is important. That's all that matters.
Mu byukuri ni ibigenzi kuri njyewe kuba nabikubwira.
I'm flattered. What an impression I must have made in such a short...
Wowe urambeshya ushobora kuba yuko ushaka gusa turyamane umvizire gusa amashu yanjye ugende utankunda.
Poor little girl.
Ushobora kumbeshya umusore nkawe gukunda njyewe.
Love doesn't know any of those. It has nothing to do with class, barrier, color.
Ntago uri uvuga ngo ntago uri mu rwego rwanjye. Ntago nitya ngo ntago uri mu rwego rwanjye cyangwa kwitaho ndetse kureli yawe nge ndagukunda. Ushobora kumbeshya besha mana yanjye umbeshya ngo urankunda uje kuvizira gusa ugende. No jamais.
As a wife in our house, cuddling our baby.
Ndashaka uzambera umugore wanjye tuvyara abana uba mu nzu yanjye. Nuko bimeze. Ziara.
Seriously?
Urabona?
I love you.
Ndagukunda. Nukuri. Bagenzi umusore abyenzera kwa mukunda yamutabari ubuzima. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Ibyacu nibitinda barakwereka dore kebo. Hari abayiziyemo. Ni bande? Barakwereka n'umukobwa Ziara. Ndetse na Raj. Ayiya bas. Mbazanye hakuno mu rugo. Umukobwa yazanye Raj iwabo umukobwa.
My younger sister, Debbie.
Uyu ndetse ni Debbie ni murumuna wanjye.
My name is Raj.
Amazina yanjye ni Raj.
Nice to meet you.
Ni byiza guhura.
My friend, Bobby.
Hi, Bobby.
Uyu ni inshuti yanjye bayita Bobby.
How are you?
Umeze mesawa.
I get a sit outside.
Ntabwo tugomba kuguma hanze mugomba kwinjira. Barinjiye. Bagenzi Raj aje gusura ndetse Ziara iwabo. Araka bas Raj yabye umukobwa kwa mukunda. Kuri cyo narebe. Barakwera kwa mukobwa president bagenzi ararinzwe yaje mu mugi. Nguwo ni umukobwa araburiya byaracanye ni mwiza ateye ukwe. Kumbe barakwereka Raj nawe ari mu mugi. Hari ibintu aje kuba yagura. Kumbe umukobwa nawe yaje. Tipe ni bogari igikobwa nacyo ni mama yambara ibikeke. Uwo mayuka ajya kumurega. Raka bas umukobwa yaje mu mugi. Na Raj ari mu mugi. Dore ibikeke yambaye bagenzi kandi bikamubera. Dore umukobwa rwose yambara ibikeke kandi nawe ukavuga yuko arabikwiriye rwose. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Barakwereka tipe ari we Raj. Agafilimi kanaendelea. Bas nguo aratambuka ibyazi zamarisheniye bwite utiganuka vunika. Utiganuka dora barinzi. Dora bodyguard kandi barariye. Nibaseka barahumuye. Barakwereka Raj hari ibyo aje kuba yagura mu mugi. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. N'umukobwa aje gushopinga. Umukobwa ni umwana president. Yatangiye kuzuminga. Umukobwa aragira ngo nagarobye. Arabona igitipe giteye nk'ikimetitsi kandi. Hello, agafilimi karacyakomeza. Umukobwa arazuminga Urabizi nabo bararoba. Abakobwa nabo urabizi bararoba. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Beyonce iyi ni rimwe. Bas umukobwa ari umutipe yarebye biti
I really like what you're wearing, the cologne you're wearing. I could smell it all over.
hari ibintu nshaka kuba nakubaza bijyikane hakuno nubinsubiza ndishima
V series.
ni serie
Yeah.
Oh, okay. My name is Beyonce,
amazina ni Beyonce
President Bill's daughter.
ndi umwana wa president
I know that.
ndakuzi
I see you on TV every night. I even saw you on TV last night.
nakurebye ndetse muri ijoro kuri televiziyo
Nice to meet you.
ni byiza guhura yamwibye amazina ye
So, I'm honored.
How?
Hey,
umva gira murebye
you're very cute,
mu by'ukuri uri mwiza
handsome.
uri mwiza kabisa
Thank you.
urakoze Ah,
I'd like to take care of that bill.
ndakwishurira
I can handle it.
oya ndabyishurira reka mwishurire umukobwa aringiye umusore
Answer for that.
nanjye ariko amafaranga ndayafitiye
I'm grateful.
ndabyishurira uretse gato umukobwa aramubye ibyo aguze byose arabimwishurira we murinzi aya basi hari agakarita bakuyeyo
I'd like to meet you at the exit time.
urabizi iyo ni aderesi yanjye uramutse unyeneye ndetse waza aho
Thanks again.
sawa tuzasubirana none raka basi mukurikire sha kuri turunarebe bagenzi umukobwa yagira ngo yishurire umusore ibyo yatuye hakuno umusore arabihakanye ndabyishurira dore mama we nge cyampofuye mana yanjye ndagahamba filimi iracyakomeza barakwereka dore ibikankari dore amakebo imbere n'inyuma hari inyubako zijemo raka basi zirinjira ahantu harakeye n'imisubizo basi dore abarinzi ba mukobwa wa Beyonce hari uwo bafunguriye basi kumbe mama ni Beyonce ariko kumbe yazanye na wa musore we umusore ayayaya mama we kiratambuka mama kikaberwa ariko yo mama we ariko se filimi nge yandenze umukobwa aramuzanye haba
James, can you get me my bag from the car?
James we genda unzanire agashakoshi mu modoka dore inzu mbega
I'm impressed.
hano ni iwawe
Like, all of it? Yeah, tell me it's for your dad.
cyangwa ni iya papa wawe
So me.
ni iyanjye hano ni iwanjye
Impressed.
Can I get you a drink?
Again?
uzana icyo kunywa
No.
oya
I'm worried now.
ntabwo nshaka kunywa
Must confess that you're very cute.
mu by'ukuri
And I'm sure the ladies can't get off of you.
inzi neza ko abagore bagukunda
I'm blushing, yeah.
ntabwo bankunda si ukomeze
But I'm not really that lady.
mu by'ukuri ntabwo meze ndi umuntu uri umuhungu ujya mu bagore
So, what is your ladies' kind?
bishatse kuvuga yuko ko batwara buhoro se umukobwa aramubye Beyonce ngira ngo nziye kuko abakobwa bagukunda ari benshi
Not.
igikobwa kirarebana kuyita kirarebana guhamagara kiratereka amaso
Don't talk too much, kind of girl.
yaramubye si ukomeze umukobwa araragera abyira Beyonce
That's what you described me.
You are definitely not what I just described. You can't fall in that category. But you are beautiful.
mu by'ukuri ni byiza guhura cyarateretse amado
Precious. You look honest.
wowe nawe ndetse ukuntu ugaragara ntabwo ugaragara mu nabi ugaragara neza kabisa uko nkubona Beyonce
What I really like about you is your intelligence. Another thing, I'm not too sure.
nawe kabisa uri mwiza kabisa uragaragara ndetse nk'umuntu ndetse w'umunyacyubahiro
I'll work on that. But thanks for the compliment, though.
You're welcome.
urakaza nanone nawe urakaza raka basi umukobwa azanye radiyo we basi
Virgin?
uri isugi
Yeah.
yego iya baba we ngo umukobwa ni isugi ziyara ragera mbaje
Oh, you a club girl.
nagira ngo uri umukobwa wa muri kirebe
A girl, a call girl.
ntabwo nge ndetse ndi umukobwa wa muri kirebe babandi bakobwa birenga nkumene bitereka benga nkumene bicuruza bikora ku giti cyabo umukobwa bagenzi ziyara ni isugi gusanga umunyarwanda ku iki gihe ko ari isugi ni bake
Okay, Right now, I'm just lack of words. The truth of the matter is,
mu by'ukuri uno mutima wanjye numva gukunda Ziara n'umusore yaramutabara ubuzima
sure what I should say or how I should say it.
wowe mu by'ukuri wanabari ubuzima Ziara mu by'ukuri njye ndagukunda.
Can I?
If you're sure of spending the rest of your life with me,
ndashaka ubuzima bwawe n'ubwanjye buzahora iteka turi kumwe.
if you're not,
Urabinsezeranya?
please don't.
Urabinsezeranya kutazamemukira?
I promise.
Ndagusezeranya?
I promise
Ndagusezeranya.
that you will always be the one. Always.
Urabizi iteka uri uwa mbere ko njyewe umukobwa abaje Ragi uransezeranya iteka ko ubuzima bwanjye bwose tuzahurana n'ubwawe yego
To death do us part.
ngabariya igikobwa ni isugi maze Ragi we si ugushaka amashu aramuvizira amarazoti kiratereka
Have your way.
nk'uko bimbye mukuri ntuzagira umemukira umukobwa yamutabariye ubuzima atamuzi Ragi nawe aramukunda yaraje maze bagenzi muzamubyirinda mwirinde sida namutikana rukingo muyirinde sida irahari Rockabas agafilm kanacyakomeza barakwereka iwabo na Ragi Beyonce yaje kubasura Beyonce yaje kubasura bamwakiriye ye babawe.
Honestly,
umva
of all the presidents this country has ever had,
kuva abaperezida bose bategetse muri iki gihugu Isco ni umuntu wa mbere wategetse neza kandi ukiriho utegeka neza.
Thank you for appreciating my father.
Ndagushimira cyane kubwa data nyina w'umusore bas.
I'm sorry, Mom, but
mbabare
I have to leave now.
ngomba kugenda.
anyway, thanks again.
Urakoze nano.
We hope to see you again.
Tuzasura none guhura
And
kandi yafashe magashakoshi.
this is $5,000.
Ibyo ni ibihumbi
$1,000?
n'ibihumbi 5 by'amadolari turapfuye
So much.
ko ari menshi.
And Eva,
Evil
this is $1,000 for you.
wengwa igihumbi cy'amadolari
Is it to take care of your hair?
uzaba ugenda utembere mu nshuti zawe musabane nawe. Umukobwa Beyonce atangiye gusora cash nyina w'umusore amuha ibihumbi 5 by'amadolari n'amafaranga menshi. Ndagiye kandi mama ahari agafaranga.
We go out and have some fun.
Ragi wendi kumwe nawe iteka ye baba we wori umukazana kabisa.
Eva,
Evil mushiki wa Ragi amuha igihumbi cy'amadolari ni menshi. Nyina wa Ragi bamuha ibihumbi 5 by'amadolari nkaya basi. Cyambara ibikeke mana yanjye cyambara ibiki ariko se do gabo navuga uyu musore.
You're not comfortable, are you?
Ariko se niki kucecetse.
It's not like I'm comfortable or I'm not comfortable. I'm just shocked. I'm confused.
Kuva naraswa mu byukuri sinzi ukuntu meze nsa nk'umuntu wacyanganyikiwe.
I think that I fell in love with you.
Ndacekeza yuko ko tugomba gukundana. Ya mukobwa aramukunda Beyonce dore igikobwa cye.
Something
Igihe cyose ndifuza kuba nakimarana nawe. Umukobwa arakunda Ragi. Ragi agakunda uwundi mukobwa bita Ziara.
I'm really shocked.
Mu byukuri naracyanganyikiwe.
Some time to think.
Kuva naraswa Rockabas yaramuzaniwe. Ya
Your bedroom?
iki ni cyumba cyawe yego nyine mana yanjye. Mama ukiratambuka bikakibera ariko se ni igikobwa cya president. Mama do mama we agafilime karacyakomeza yamuzanye mu cyumba cye.
So,
None
why did you bring me here?
kubera kinzanye hakuno
well,
impamvu se naguyize mana yanjye.
I love you.
Ndagukunda
I love you too.
nanjye ndagukunda n'umusore bagenzi mwene sida irahari muyirinde namutikana rukingo. Rockabas Ragi yabwiye Beyonce ko amukunda na Beyonce abyara Ragi ko amukunda. Bagenzi dore kwa Beyonce ngabo yariye ku mashu agafilime karacyakomeza. Ragi yariye amashu ya Beyonce ngicyo ngiye mvuye muri dushe gukaraba amajyana mikasiro yose bagenzi mubyirinde sida mujye mumenya ko sida yateye sida irahari namutikana rukingo muyirinde kiratereka ibyiso byacu ubwiza bwacu n'iki gigatereka bose bahuye ari beza bose bahuye mugenzi ari beza agafilimi karacyakomeza Beyonce Pati One ngwino ndakongera amashusho zinayaga ngwino mana yanya nimba ushaka tuyari hano hakuna amashusho turari mu ntebe urabizi abantu ntago bigora rwose barakwereka Ziara yaje na Raj iwabo wa Raj yasanze Beyonce na nyina wa Raj turapfuye biniku
pleasure.
ndabasuje
Hi, Mom.
bite mom bite Beyonce
This day, Mom. Hey, what's up, girl? What you drinking?
What's now?
Yeah, can I get a sip?
Aruwa bazani
Beyonce, it's a pleasant surprise. It's great to see you here.
Beyonce nagatangaza kuba tuje hakuno tukagusanga
I just stopped over at a friend's house.
narindi kumwe ndetse mu nzu y'inshuti yanjye uyu
This is Beyonce, the lady I told you about, who's
uriya ni Beyonce
really kind to us.
ni inshuti yacu dukunda
Hello.
yewe niyamusuhuje
Ciara here
uyu ni Ziara uri hano
used to call Cece,
mwita Sisi
my fiance.
ni fiance wanjye turapfuye iwabo turapfuye ibiniku ngo Ziara niwe fiance abivuge imbere ya nyina
Excuse us.
mumbabino gato
We'll be back. We'll join you guys in a...
turagaruka tugenda Ziara
Excuse me, Raj.
babino gato Raj
Yeah?
yego
Can I talk to you for a minute outside?
dushobora kuvugana na hanze nge nawe
Now?
nona
It's like now.
yego nona
No, we can't.
ntabwo bishoboka umukobwa Beyonce arashaka kuvugana na Raj nona ube wicaye hakuno mu nzu yaje gupresenta Ziara ngo niwe fiance we kandi Beyonce kasha zitanga iwabo w'uyu musore aya basi agafilimi karacyakomeza yamaze kurya amashu ya Beyonce abarinzi ba Beyonce bari hanze agashakoshi bakamukuyeho arashaka Raj dore Ziara uragira ngo nyina w'umusore aramwitaho dore mushiki wa Raj erekada uyu ntacyo atanga dore nyina wa Raj yebaba ko batandebara
I'll be outside.
reka mbe nsotse gato umukobwa arebye batamuvugisha batamwishimiye basi dore umukobwa arahagaze ukwe anashima amadede nguwo Raja avayo yego
Look, Raj, for your information, I am very, very possessive
reba Raj ibyo uvugiye hariya byose byandakaje
about her. Who the hell do you take me for?
kuba icyo ubivuze hariya
Beyonce, calm down.
tuza
Why are we even having this conversation? I told you there was somebody in my life.
dore ubwa mbere narakubwiye hari umuntu ndetse uri mu buzima bwanjye
Making me very, very clean.
njye mu by'ukuri byandakaje kabisa
Some girl you can have sex with and walk out, right?
It's not like that.
washatse ndetse kurya amashu ndetse ugende njye ndeke njyenyine
Honestly, I'm sorry. Okay, I had to do the introduction.
umbabare mu by'ukuri
Sorry, I didn't mean it to...
ntabwo narinzi ndetse niza kumupresenta kuba yamukubise turapfuye ibe niko arankubise reka kikandira amashuri ga Nansoni kikajya ku bandi Beyonce aragenda na kuyita aratambuka ahamagara agafilimi karacyakomeza umusore yakubise urushi na Ziara mureba Raj we
You heard all she said?
urabyumva ibyo avuze yego gira
Cece, I'm sorry.
mbabare Ziara
I had to sleep with her.
naryamanye nawe namuriye amashu
Strong, I couldn't resist.
ariko uburyo yajemo kugira ngo turyamane ntabwo nashobora kwihangana tuzabana n'ejo ngo mu by'ukuri Ziara Beyonce namuriye amashu ariko uburyo yajemo ntabwo washobora kubyihanganira umusumari wari ikweze nanjye ninjira bagenze mu byirinde agafilimi karacyakomeza sava birera mama we ibi ni ku bagabo Beyonce uriko ko ari umukobwa perezida dore nyina wa Raj yagarutse mu nzu ari yehe
She's gone.
yagiye
I told her everything.
namubye buri kimwe cyose
She got angry. She left. Ciara was there. I told her the truth.
Ziara yarahari namubwije ukuri.
She even slapped me, mother. And
Ariko mama yankubise urushi.
It's a shame you don't even know what you want.
who can
We
talk to me like that?
we ushaka nacuzi. Ntukavugane muri ubwo buryo nanjye.
I choose for me what I want.
Of course she can
Ndakwiyamye. Mwana wanjye tuza mushiki we.
even know what you want.
I do know what I want.
Wena icyo ushaka nakukizi.
I've always knew what I wanted. It's been very clear.
Icyo nshaka nakimubwiye. Njye ndashaka Ziara.
You, Eva,
We Eva.
will you stop messing my affairs?
Ndakwiyamye ndetse kuza mu shusho ryanjye.
You know what?
Urazi?
That stupid part of yours will spill doom for you one day.
Ibintu uri muranga umunsi umwe uzabyicuza. Barakwereka Beyonce yaje ababaye. Beyonce ni umukobwa perezida ararinzwe n'abakunda ndetse umusore Raj. Dore igikobwa monshera mi. Singa bya bikobwa tina bose bana nakigenda. Uyu mukobwa ari monshera mi.
What is the problem?
Ni cyo kibazo ufite Beyonce?
What happened, girl?
Niki kikubaye umukobwa? Navuga.
Do you want to talk about it?
Nagushaka kubivugaho.
It's Raj.
Ni byerekanye na Raj turapfuye. Ha. Kuni Raj, kubyekanye na Raj. N'abakunda ndetse umusore Raj. Dore igikobwa monshera mi. Singa bya bikobwa tina bose bana nakigenda. Uyu mukobwa ari monshera mi.
What is the problem?
Ni cyo kibazo ufite Beyonce?
What happened, girl?
Niki kikubaye umukobwa? Navuga.
Do you want to talk about it?
Nagushaka kubivugaho.
It's Raj.
Ni byerekanye na Raj turapfuye. Ha. Kuni Raj, kubyekanye na Raj.
You know what? I just want to be alone, okay?
Ndashaka ngume njyenyine, mundeke njyenyine. Bagenza hari Raj yamubabaje kandi umukobwa Beyonce arakunda Raj. Raj agakunda undi mukobwa Ziara ntacyo atanga. Barakwereka Ziara yagarutse kuri murumuna we abimubyire ibyo abonye si byinaha mu Rwanda. Katirore amarira ni yayose. Katirore barakwereka Raj nguwo ni bogari ni nkapija do ngabo nyina we yaraje. Oh,
You are here.
uri hano?
Yeah, mother, I'm here.
Yego mama ndi hano.
Can I sit?
Shobora kwicara?
Sure.
Yego mama icara. Nyina aje kwenda iki Katirore aje kumubwira iki aya basi. Aha.
Aren't you lucky?
Ntabwo uzi ko uri umunyamahirwe.
Say, President Bill's daughter
Umwana wa perezida
took a multi-million business investments.
afite business agomba kwitaho ariko agatakaza umwanya we akaza kuba yakureba. Nuzi ko uri umunyamahirwe kubona n'umukobwa wa perezida. Raj we.
I am your mother.
Ndi nyoko.
And you are the son of my flesh. I mean, my only male fruit. You see, in life,
Naguhaye buri kimwe cyose.
to increase you.
Nguha buri kimwe cyanjye cyose ku bwawe kubera icyo utanyumvira.
The secret of your future, it's in your daily routine.
Uriya mugore nuwo buzima bwawe bw'ejo hazaza.
You can see it now.
Sinzi nimba ubibona none aha buno ugomba kumushingirwa.
Mother, I'm sorry to spoil your morning.
Mama umbabarire kuri iki gitondo ibyo mbyiye.
Saraya is the person I love. She's the one I want to be with.
Zara mu byukuri ndamukunda kandi yanabari ubuzima bwanjye.
And I am going to marry her.
Kandi nzamushaka. Niwe ngiye kurongora. Turapfuye ibi ni ku bagabo.
Raj, as friends, we've been together through thick and thin.
Raj, turi inshuti twakoranye byinshi.
As for you, you need her to turn your life.
Ziara ntabwo ari we ndetse umukobwa ugomba gushaka. Ugomba kurongora Beyonce.
I'd rather be with Ciara. That's the person I'm okay with.
Mu byukuri umutima wanjye njye urashaka Ziara ntabwo ushaka Beyonce.
No way I'm tolerated. I can't live with that.
Mushiki waramubwira agomba kurongora Beyonce.
Similarity to another, but rather in your points of difference.
Ziara ntabwo ukwiranye na Beyonce.
The significance of it.
Beyonce ni umukobwa kataraboneka, ni umukobwa mwiza, ni umukobwa ushobora gutambukisha mu bantu.
Ciara's got nothing to offer.
Ziara nta na kimwe afite iwabo n'abakene.
You talking like you don't have a spirit. Because if you don't, I do. And I cannot fight what my spirit refuses. I'm in love with Ciara. Don't you get it?
nkunda Ziara ntago mubizi.
Patience is the weapon that forces deception to reveal.
So umukobwa ugomba gukunda.
Forget it. Don't talk to me about Beyonce and Ciara again.
Byibagirwe ntuzasubire kuvuga ku bya Beyonce nanjye uzahumbira gusa bya Ziara.
Ciara, then go back to Beyonce. I don't want the riches.
Njye ntago nshaka Beyonce.
You never reached the palace talking like.
Urabizi uriya ni umukire.
Yo, Raj, you pissed me off totally.
Raj, Beyonce ni umukire. Iby'ubukire nuko abizaneho kuri Raj.
I've never loved any man.
Nta wundi muhungu nigeze gukunda. Ndabyira nyina wa Raj, Beyonce.
God, I can't believe I'm this emotional.
Nakunze gusa uriya muhungu wanyu ari we Raj. Dore ibintu none atangiye kunkorera. Na kuva mu buzima bwanjye nkunda nakundanye na Raj.
There's nothing to worry about. Raj is...
Ntago ugomba kwitaho kuri ibyo. Raj ndetse ibitekerezo bye byose tugomba kuba twabimuhindura.
I wonder what Raj saw in that wretched looking ugly orphan.
Nanjye sinzi uriya ikibazo afite uriya musaza wanjye.
That desperate girl who would want to reap from a fertile soil will even do worse.
Anybody know where he is?
Muzahana ari mwebwe.
I want to talk things over.
Ndashaka kuvugana nawe.
I'm really sorry that I slapped him.
Ndashaka kumusaba imbabazi kurusha namukubise. Beyonce arakunda.
I was at the peak of my anger.
Mu byukuri ari amafuti yanjye ndagira ngo musabe imbabazi. Beyonce ni umwana wa perezida n'umukobwa wa perezida ariko umusore nagamukunda kuri kintu narebe. Barakwereka wa mukobwa Ziara yaraje.
Good day.
Umunsi mwiza. Uyu yararakaye mushiki wa Raj dore Beyonce ha. Dore.
Good day.
Umunsi mwiza.
Have you seen Raj today?
Warebye Raj uyu munsi? Sindamubona.
I want you to stop seeing my son.
Ndashaka uve ku mwana wanjye.
Your friendship with him has become an injury on the face.
Ntuzongere nanone kuza kuno ngo uje kumushaka.
Are you aware he's engaged?
Urazi agiye kurongora turapfuye.
Well, his fiancée is not comfortable with you around him.
Fiancé we ari hakuno ntabwo agushaka uzabuhora hakuno.
And stop coming to this house.
Kandi uhagarike kuza muri iyi nzu.
Understand?
Urabyumva? Mama we!
You can go now.
Ugomba kugenda nona. Ugomba kugenda agiye gushaka. Mushiki wa Raj yarasetse. Uyu barado nicyo kibi kandi Raj ngo aragishaka. Hello? Kuri kintu narebe.
Good one, Mom.
Mama mva.
Such a drastic and decisive decision needed to be taken.
Iyo myanzuro yawufashe ni myiza pe nuko agomba kumuvyira turapfuye. Uyu yaramunyuzamo imyonyo. Mushiki wa Raj. Aya basi. Raj ntago yarahari. Ziara avuye kuba yamusura. Baramubyira Raj agiye kurongora kandi uyu niwe fiancé we. Beyonce Ziara biti.
Hi.
Biti. Yarakaye byose bimenye.
Baby, what's wrong?
Niki cyana kikuriho?
What's wrong?
Niki?
Come on, tell me what's happening.
Niki cyabaye hakuno?
Thank God you arrived at the peak of it all.
Raj, ibyo byose byikwekanyeho nabimenye.
But I might be an orphan.
Uri umugabo ugiye gushaka nabimenye byose. Byose ndabibyiwe.
But my love.
Waransezanje ubuzima bwanjye bwose ko nzabumara nawe gusa nanjye ndeka. Ziyarumva ibyo byose nabimenye ugiye kuba warongora. Gendeka Ziyara yaragiye niwe yatabaye ubuzima bw'uyu musore. Araswe umusore Ziyara niwe yatabaye umusore atamuzi. Umusore nagabizi ibijye imbere kuri cyo narebe. Birere Katsiruri aho bihera Beyonce Party 1 iyi ni rimwe na kabiri rahari. Barakwereka agomba garuka iwabo mu rugo.
Tell me what happened in here.
Mushobora kumyira ibyabaye hakuno?
Mother.
Mama.
We will talk about that later.
Turabivugana kundi mwanya.
Now.
Ndashaka none.
Later.
Undi mwanya.
About it later, mother. I don't have that kind of patience.
Kuba cyumvira undi mwanya.
And you say later?
Ngo undi mwanya.
Tell me what happened.
Ndashaka kubivugana nona.
Sit down, we have a vista.
Ichara.
Don't look like I'm in the mood to entertain somebody. Look at me, am I in the mood?
Ndeba urabona meze neza wa mushiki wanjye.
I don't know what happened here.
Ndagira ngo mumbwire icyabaye hakuno. Beyonce arahari fiancé we.
So nobody will say anything, right?
Nago bashaka kuvuga buri kimwe hakuno.
Out of this house. don't think of coming back again.
Nusohoka muri iyi nzu ntuzatekereze kugaruka muri iyi nzu yanjye nuyisohokamo.
Are you threatening me?
Urimo uranyirukana?
You threatening me?
Urimo uranyirukana?
All my life I have been very respectful. I have
ubuzima bwanjye bwose mama naguhaga icyubahiro.
Never.
Ntabwo nigeze ngusuzugura habe namba.
So please,
ndagusaba ibuno.
Don't give me any cost.
Ndekera ndetse nkora ibyanjye. Ye ariko Beyonce arahari. Beyonce arahari. Rockabats umusore arasohotse. Yarasohotse. Agapirimi karacyakomeza. Ziyara yarakaye yabimenye ko umusore agiye kuba yashaka. Kandi nyina w'umusore yamubyiye ntazagira asubira kuba yambona. Amubona n'umwana we. Cyangwa se kuza mu rugo rwe. Agapirimi karacyakomeza. Amarira Ziyara arimo ararira kurikira. Ari mu marira Ziyara nawe arakunda biraraye gukunda umuntu si ubwiza hari igihe wakunda umuntu ku mutima we. Yaraje Ziyara we,
tell me what happened.
Ngira icyabaye.
What happened back there?
Ni cyabaye hakurya.
What have I done?
Umva
Raj
we,
is loving you a crime?
icyo nzira niko ngukunda.
Why must your mother go this far to hurt me?
Kubera iki barimo baragerageza kundwanya kugira ngo singukunde.
I'm not engaged to Beyonce.
Beyonce.
To anyone. You know I'm
ntago ngiye kurongora Beyonce.
engaged to somebody when I'm going to get married to you.
Njyewe ndateganya kurongora wowe.
I'm even confused myself why my mother had to say that.
Reka ndetse mama wanjye ashobora kuba yacyanganyikiwe ibyo yakubye byose. We byikuremo bagenzi. Gukunda umuntu si ubwiza ngo ni mwiza mu maso. Ushobora gukunda umuntu umwiza mu maso he yaragaze mu mutima we. Utari mwiza ku ishusho rye mu mutima ari mwiza.
I'll be back.
Ndagaruka kansubireyo. Rockabats barakwereka mushiki wa Raj. Hey Raj we, mushiki we gashikike. Raj we, Raj uretse ndakuyame mushiki wanjye ndakudigeza. Rebera filimi iratangiye.
Mother, why?
Mama kuki?
Why did you have to lie to Cece?
Kubera iki wabeshe Shisi?
To somebody else when you know I'm not?
Ngo ndetse harundi umuntu ngiye gushaka. Beyonce.
I'm trying to destroy my relationship. But leave the girl out of it.
Kubera iki udashaka kuba twakomezanya njye nawe?
Is it a crime that a girl as beautiful as Ziyara is to be in love with me, your son?
Ziyara ni umugore mwiza kuri njyewe. Ntumbwire uwo mwanda wa muswa.
You are charmed. I am not.
Njye ntago munkeneye.
Mother, I'm very, very disappointed.
Mama, njye bino sinzi. Beyonce arari.
Do you have conscience? God, you used to like this girl. She comes here to cook for you almost every day.
Uyu mukobwa wanga yarazaga kugutekera amanywa na nijoro hano mu rugo.
That Eva is supposed to be doing.
Na Eva arabizi akabafurira n'imyenda. None se uramwanze mama koko dore umusore ukuntu yaje guteranya. Buriya mukobwa yanga asanzwe aze kumutekera no kumufurira imyenda.
Stupid boyfriend, what's his name? Roger or whatever, get married or something.
We, yakubwira igihungu mukundana nacyo kijye kugushaka ntunyinjirire mu byanjye wa muswa we. Raj we. Ya. Kiramukunda. Yachiyo. Beyonce akunda Raj.
My son insulting me just because of that girl.
Umwana wanjye aransakuriza kubera kira gikobwa.
Who knows her house?
Abahe ninduzi. Mama ndahazi.
Then you take me there.
Njyana yo hano igikobwa hano kiba. Icyo gikobwa hano kiba. Umwana wanjye akamagarira imbere akansakuriza kubera kira gikobwa. Mushiki wa Raj yabwiye nyina nza hano kiba. Unjyaneyo.
Good day, Ma.
Umunsi mwiza mama. Aramwinya nyina wa Raj yaraje turapfuye uyu yarakaye. Bas. araseka arasekera batamusekera.
What is good about the day?
Umunsi mwiza nyabaki.
Why do you want to tear my family apart?
Kubera icyo ushaka kunteranya n'umuryango wanjye.
Because of you.
Byerekanye no kuri wowe.
Has been calling me names. Calling me all sorts of names.
Izina ryanjye igomba kuryikuramo mubuhamagara.
I don't want to see you around my son anymore.
Sinzasubira kubana nanone n'umuhungu wanjye. Nta na rimwe simbishaka.
Am I cleared?
Kuko ningusanga n'umuhungu wanjye nzagukora ikintu kitakorwa. Ndabyumva. Aje nanone kumuha gasopo monshera dore kuna murebuye. Hey. Beyonce aratanga abahumbi 5 by'amadolari. Wowe ukazana za reveni za ritarani koma VP. Go nyina wa Raji nago bamushaka barashaka Beyonce. Kuri cyo narebe. Umukobwa nibwo batamukeneye umuhungu aramukunda. Turapfuye dore Raji yamuzanye iwabo. Yarafungu injira. Nago nshaka kuzahani wanyu.
Mommy has trouble.
Mama wanje hari kibazo afite.
Feel free.
Hano uri free buno. Yamuzanye iwabo turapfuye.
Feel comfortable.
Je nago nshaka kuzaha kuno uraba nihanangiriza.
Mother has traveled.
Mama wanje haranu yagiye.
My home.
Ubu uri hano iwacu menya yuko nawe kuri iwanyu.
Free, okay? This is your home as well.
Ubu nawe uri mu rugo iwanyu.
I love you.
Ndagukunda.
Anything come between us.
Ndagukunda mu byukuri yamuzanye iwabo nyina w'umusore wa Raji hari urugendo yagiyemo.
You feel better?
Uriyumva neza buno?
Okido.
Yego mama.
Good. I'm just going out, take a break and I'll come back.
Ni byiza. Kanje gutunganyeza ikintu wanywa ndaje. Ma nagutegereje mana yanjye. Ye baba we. Nyina w'umusore aramutse amusanze amukura muri izo ntebe mbiri. Urakina. Agafilme karacyakomeza. Yaje iwabo umusore. Kumbe mushiki w'umusore nawe aramuzira. Dore uko namureba do.
Oh, hi.
Biti. Yasetse muyo. Niyamusubije. Damarishe nguwo Francesi.
Good fragrance, bad polish.
Ngwiki?
So, bitch.
Indayo.
Do you want here?
Urashaka iki wandaye we hakuno?
Excuse me, Sierra.
Amazina yanjye ni Sierra.
Oh, really?
Nukuri.
You can be mischievous for all I care.
Njari ikintu nshaka kuba nakubwira.
Just stop following my brother.
Reka musaza wanjye wenyine.
Look,
Reba.
brother happens to be my boyfriend, and I demand to be treated.
Musaza wowe arankunda. Niyo mpamvu ndi hano.
So you've grown wings, haven't you?
Arakubita. Mushiki hey.
What's happening?
Nibiki bigimbere. Yaragarutse Raji.
You slapped her?
Uramukubise?
You. Get out of my face.
Vamushoha ibyanjye.
Don't ever touch her again, you hear me?
Ntuzonye kumufata urabyumva?
You weren't here when she started insulting Mama and I, were you?
Ntabwo uzamurongora hakuno.
Oh, mother. I know what a liar you can be.
Mwebwe na mama nashaka nakabumvira ariko azumvira njewe.
Okay? Get out of here.
Vana ugende. Ariko agafilme karacyakomeza.
Romeo and Juliet indeed.
Gicoco gusa. Umukobwa nawe nakaga niba mushaka kihuruza. Kuri cyo narebe. Birarayi Katruri agafilme karacyakomeza. Barakwereka ibyatsi Beyonce yambara ibikeke kandi akaberwa ararinzwe turapfu bagenza umukobwa bagenza arimo agafaranga ari nako isa ni president ukomeye yaje gusura uyu Zihara yifashe ku mazuru haranuka do biramureba abakira nuko bamera haranuka.
You recognize me, don't you?
Ni wowe ranje kureba?
Yes, I do.
Yego.
So,
None.
How much do you want so you can stop sneaking around town?
Urashaka amafaranga ngayo ndekera uriya musore?
Beg your pardon?
Amafaranga?
You heard me. How much do you want?
Urashaka amafaranga ngayo undekere Raj. Turapfuye. Aramyoza. Hey.
I'm talking to you, bitch. How much?
Ndavugana nawe indaya urashaka ngaye? Indaya? Ho. Murinzi. Check ivayo. Haranuka hano. Kurikira unarebe. Haramu.
This is $10,000.
N'ibihumbi 10,000.
Take this and leave my boyfriend alone.
Uyajyane ureke umuhungu wanjye wenyine.
I'm only disappointed in you.
Umbabare kuba ngiye kuba nakubwira gutya.
Money is everything.
Ayo mafaranga ntugire ngo yuko ashobora kurangiza buri kimwe cyose. Na mafaranga yawe nshaka. Yarasetse.
You call this a house?
Ngo iyi ni inzu yawe.
For a second I thought I was in a pigsty. Look, get out of my house.
Va mu nzu yanjye.
Get out of my house.
Va mu nzu yanjye uretse.
If you dare try to touch me with your filthy hands, I will kill you as wretched as
ndakwica mu buryo ndetse uzabura burundu. Wibeshe unkwezo n'urutoki.
idiots.
Igicucu. Va mu nzu yanjye.
Get out of my house.
Soka mu nzu yanjye. Soka. Soka. Yafashe ikintu yakimukubise ku mutwe he. Wait. Hello.
You stay the hell away from my boyfriend because if you don't,
nutava ku musore Raj uzabibona akaga kazakugwaho. Fata n'ibyo bihumbi 10 ndetse bikubuzi. Dore ukuntu yatangiye kuvirana amaraso. Umugabo azanye ibibazo. Ugasanga bijya rwose ni ibibazo abamukunda ari benshi. Rakabas yavuyeyo nguwo Beyonce ararinzwe n'umwana president. N'umwana wa presidento. Firemira cyakomeza. Rakabas nuko yiyambara ibicece kandi akabirwa. Yiyambarira ibicece kandi akabirwa. Agafilimi karacyakomeza. Beyonce barakwerekana Raj yaraje. Arahamagara Beyonce yaje hano. Beyonce hanabo ku nzu ya Beyonce we. Beyonce ari kumwe na inshuti z'abakobwa. Beyonce we.
I know you can hear me.
Nzinaza kunyumva. Beyonce we. Udusakuriza mu rugo rw'umukobwa president abarinzi ngabo. Beyonce we.
Come out.
Vayo. Azakandi yitonze.
I hate you so much.
Ndakwanga buno.
Regret the day I met you and I hate every bit of you right now.
Ibyo kore uriya mukobwa bitumye nkwanga burundu.
You think it's all about money? It's all about money? Well, take it.
Uragira ngo kimwe cyose na amafaranga yagumani.
Nothing to do with it. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Ngende kanje nyine kandi.
It's your car keys. Your car is parked.
Dore imfunguzo z'imodoka yawe wari waramaye.
My life. I don't ever want to see you again.
Ntuzongere kwinjira mu buzima bwanjye. Sinzongera no kubana none. Hello. Baramwitambitse umukobwa ataravuga se arasohoka. Ngo amuve mu buzima bwe. Herega naso numva amagambo kini mu kirangira. Arakabas. Dore mama. Tamarishi. Kinashima madede. Dede. Mama we. Bas. Kirareba. Telefoni z'amaso ku zundi.
Raj
we.
You think after seeing my nakedness and riding me like a horse, you could walk out of my life and be allowed?
Umaze kundya amashu umure kugende. Naramaze kuba naguhereza kuri za bombo none waraziriye ngo ugende.
If not for love, Raj, you should be lucky I found love in you.
Reka ndebe urukundo rwanjye hano nawe ruzagarukira Raj.
I will wait till I see the strength of
ndategereje urukundo rwanjye nawe rugomba kujya imbere. Umva. Ibyo ni inzozi.
Selfish pride. Don't talk to me about love.
Sinyane kuvugana nawe ku by'urukundo hagati yanjye nawe.
You cannot control the pleasures of my future.
Wowe naguri
stay out of my life.
Va mu buzima bwanjye nuru ubuzima bwanjye bw'ejo hazaza baritambitse naravuga mama reki arazunguza gutyo ukuboko kukavuga ko ari ukumureka kugenda tizama sinema kuza yafashe mama yobera ni nayo filimi zirahari kuza narapfa niyemeze guhereza abanyarwanda kuva yakuza narapfa niyemeze kuba nabahereza abanyarwanda sawa sava ukwezi kurahishe barakwereka aritaxivatire yaje hari abayivuyemo uko ari babiri ngabo Raja ari kumwe na Ziara barimo bararya ubuzima Ruwaje Ho
Sarah, so again.
Now
tell me, how far can you run?
You got the wrong person.
What kind of life is that? Else you're half dead. But she's a lady, you can't be stopping her. What's wrong with you guys? Supposed to abandon me for this chicken-hearted boy. Boyfriend. True with you, you're not being loved by.
Mumaso ni ibintu cy'abamene mu maso uriya musoroje ngo bakundanye n'uyu mukobwa Ziara mubyiye sinkuzi kuri cyo narebe barakwereka hospital kwa muganga Raja ari kwa muganga katurore mama yego Raja ari marazanza muka
Raj, are you okay? How do you feel? You'll be fine.
Ziara way.
Oh my God.
Yabyutse amagara Ziara.
Bobby.
Kurikira.
She is fine, Raj.
I want to see her now.
Ndashaka kureba Ziara nonaha.
You can't walk, Raj. Look, your bones are all broken. Please.
Arashaka kureba Ziara. Baramubwira ngo meze sawa. Yakubiswe kuri cyo narebe. Abamukubise n'abanza baribo ibabawe. Kurikira le belle filmi.
Hello, hi.
Yemwe, Dr. Raj.
Young man.
Raju.
I want to see Ziara.
Ndashaka kureba Ziara.
Hello. Young man.
Musore muto.
Young man.
Musore muto.
What's his name?
His name is Raj.
Amazina ni Raj.
Hi, Raj.
Raj.
Sierra is doing very good.
Ziara ameze neza.
In fact, she's responding to treatment.
Turacyamuha imiti.
Where's Ziara?
Ariye Ziara. Musore rakunze.
Somebody talk to me.
Hagire umuntu uvugana nanjye.
Bobby.
Kurikira Bobby. Raj.
Tell me Ziara is not dead.
Ngira nimba Ziara nimba atapfuye.
No, she's not.
Nago
She's not dead.
Nago yapfuye.
She is still alive.
Aracyari muzima.
Where is she?
Ariye. Madam.
Okay, Raj.
Sawa Raj.
I'll take you to her.
Turakujyanayo.
Young lady.
Chana bandera teri bantu bushoye nibwinshi bantu. Ararira.
You give me the wheelchair.
Nzanira twatugari tushiramo abarema. Baramujyanayo Dr. atumije twatugari. yahagarara hariya mama kurikira agafilimi karatanye karakomeza. Beyonce Part 1 kuza yafasha mama yoberani nayo agomba kujyana hano Ziyara ari barakwereka mu cyumba Ziyara arimo. Ziyara marataka Ziyara ari marataka umusore baramuzanye ari marira yabaye ikika turore. Ziyara we bagenzi dore Ziyara ukuntu yabaye mu maso. Hey film iracyakomeza ibintu bamumenye mu maso. Doctor, ibi ni iki ariko?
As a practicing medical doctor, I have never been this emotional.
Kuva navura abantu sindabasha kureba bino bintu bamumene mu maso he birenze acide. Turapfuye birenze acide. Yatangiye kurira Raj dore murumuna wa Ziyara. Doctor, ibi ni iki?
A dangerous chemical was poured on her, which is more than acid.
Iyi chemical bamumene mu maso he irenze kuri acide. Bagenzi birabaje kubera urukundo.
Anyway, we all have to leave now.
Mwese nagomba mugomba kuguma hakuno, mugomba gusohoka.
Can I stay here, please? I think.
Ushobora kuguma hakuno, Doctor?
No, Raj, no.
Oya Raj, oya.
Equally, serious. You can't be here. Shall we?
Nago aguma hakuno. Hano abahari gusa abakobwa n'abagore. Mugomba gusohoka kuri cyo narebe. Umukobwa isura ye bayangije birenze acide. Ninde wabikoze? Filime iracyakomeza. Kurikira agafilimi Beyonce Part 1 na kabiri irahari. Barakwereka Beyonce yaraje ngo
Beyonce, you're welcome.
Urakaza.
How is he?
Amezate.
Bad. Terribly bad. His bones are all broken.
Gusa yavunaguritse.
But what really happened?
Nibiki byabaye ariko?
Hasn't said a word yet. But according to eyewitnesses, they were attacked by thugs.
Ngo bara abagabo babiri ndetse babatatse.
They? Yes,
Yana kumwe n'umukobwa yego.
Ziyara.
Ngo bari bazi Ziyara ariko abo bantu babatatse.
That same girl.
Yes.
So, what about her? What happened to her?
Her case is worse. She's at the female ward.
See her. Mom, you know what? Yourself about the bill.
Very much.
Personally make sure that he gets all the treatment he requires. But this hospital is actually one of my investments. I own it.
Gusa ndabyamye neza kwaza kuba yakira. Gusa mama nuza kwishura ngendishura turapfuye. Kashari nazo mukobwa Beyonce. Abye nyina waraje naze kwishura rishura. Arashaka kureba ndetse icyumba ahantu Ziyara arwariye. Beyonce aragiye kuri cyo narebe. Bas. Ibi ni cyari. Dore kuni yabaye Ziyara. Ziyara kuni yabaye.
You're Ziyara's younger sister, right?
Wowe uri murumuna wa Ziyara.
And what do you want?
Yego urashaka iki?
That was very bold. Anyway,
kuri ibyo rero.
I want you to be a witness to this.
Ndashaka uzabe umushinza kuri ibi bigiye kuvugwa hakuno. Umuhamya.
Shit. This is so disgusting. I want you, Ziyara.
Ziyara ngiye kukwishura buri kimwe cyose kugira ngo yuko ishusho yawe igaruke.
You should know that the worst place to seek refuge is a tiger's cage. You think I don't know?
Sinzi.
You think I don't know that you did this to me?
Ndacheka yuko bino byose byangize no wabikoze.
For all the pains you put me through.
Nge nago nshaka kunyishurira habe namba. Nta na kimwe cyawe nshaka kunyishurire.
Nature will never forgive you.
Sinzigira nkubabarira.
Fight for today.
will fight against you.
iyo nza kuba ndi muzima mba nkundwanyije biragije.
I warned you, Sierra,
umva Sierra,
but you played dumb. So I decided to teach you.
ndagira ngo yuko mwitaho kugira ngo yuko ngutangira amafaranga ashoboka yose ishusho yawe rigaruke.
What? I will still make you that offer.
Oh, Beyonce, just go with your offer.
Genda Beyonce na offer yawe no kunyishura kwawe bitwaririya nunyishurire.
What can a poor offer like me do?
Dore byunkoreye.
Make case with you.
Wenda nawe biza kugeraho.
We're worlds apart. But I want you to know that my God will fight for me.
Imana iza kurwanyisha.
I'm sure if you're given a second chance, you stay far away.
Ndakeka ndagwisha badyawe rya kabiri.
I will still make you that offer.
Umva.
You see, I will send you to another clinic. Spend millions of money for you to have a face.
Ndagutangira amafaranga ashoboka kugira ngo yuko ishusho ryawe ndetse bari kugarure nkuko ryari rimeze. Cyangwa bari finde bagufindeho maso hawe.
You'd be dead and buried.
Kandi bibereye hakuno uwabikoze ni ngewe. Uzigira bivuga azapfa, menye ko azapfa. Mbivugiye hano turi batatu. Nizigira mbyumva ko ibyakugezeho ko ari nyena biteye uzapfa. We nzabyumva wese azapfa. Agafilme barakwereka ibyacu n'ibitsinda. Ziyara yasigaye kwa muganga. Uzabivuga muri abo ko ari batatu azapfa. Agafilme nako nukagenzi kavaga muri Jamaica Video Library. Gusuka bagiye mwinda sida turabakunda cyane cyane. Uwifuza icyo cya kabiri nanone